Hey there, para folks. Here's how to remove mods in Paralives. Are the mods you downloaded starting to become buggy or annoying over time? You can disable them or remove them entirely through the same mod section on the main menu where you originally added them. If you simply want to turn a mod off while keeping it installed for future use, you can disable it by toggling off the blue switch beside the mod. Wait for the screen to finish loading and the mod will be disabled. Once disabled, it will no longer appear the next time you load into the game. Now, if you want to remove a mod completely from the mods list, click on the trash bin icon. Doing this will delete the mod files and unsubscribe you from its Steam Workshop page. This is a good option if you want to clean up unused or outdated mods. Just keep in mind that, like with most moddable games, removing mods can sometimes cause issues with save files that previously used those mods. And that's basically all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.